जय हिंद। भारत हमारी माता है और इसकी शान में हम स्वदेशी अपनाएंगे। भारत हमारी माता है और इसकी शान में हम स्वदेशी अपनाएंगे। स्वदेशी अपनाकर हम भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनाएंगे। It is time for vocal to go local for a better cut. I am Afan Dumba from NCC 35 Battalion, Raichur. Today I am here to speak something about Atmanirbhar Bharat and what we can do as a citizen to make this mission a successful one.
India, with a population of 1.3 billion people and with a huge reservoir of talented, skilled and smart young people, was largely dependent on the imports from countries like China. But now, with the announcement of Atmanirbhar Bharat, our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has opened an amazing portal preceding the self-reliant for an economically strong Bharat. This will bring down the unemployment, insolvency and poverty and can give a huge boost to India's per capita GDP. The 20 lakh crore package announced by the government can promote this to upgrade extent by supporting the micro, small and medium enterprises, farmers, laborers, cottage industries, home industries, small-scale industries, middle-class people and those Indian industries which are working to boost our economy dedicatedly, which will in turn build a robust economy. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is a silver lining.
Now, what can we as a citizen do to sustain it? Here it is.
We must pledge to go vocal to local and ensure our total support by investing our money in buying only made in India products, creating awareness among people about the importance of self-reliant, economically strong.
Our responsibility is to make this 21st century the century of India. So let us do our bit. Thank you and Jai Hind.